Well, this has been an issue we've covered for years as more and more struggling rural hospitals are forced to close their doors. Now there's a legislative push at the Capitol to revive some hospitals and make healthcare more accessible. The bill would remove the red tape for hospitals to reopen quickly and apply to all hospitals that have closed within the last 15 years. At least a dozen would be eligible if the bill passes. Meanwhile, a constitutional carry bill is moving through the state legislature. It would remove requirements for someone to have a permit to carry a concealed handgun in public. Our Kyle Horan joins us now. Kyle, this bill has been controversial. Who's against it?
Well, there are a number of groups that are against it, Rory, and they say it's because they believe it makes the state less safe. And because it removes handgun carry permits, they believe that people are going to be walking around carrying handguns who don't have enough experience to use them, and it could result in more deaths.
It stands to reason if more people are carrying guns in public places, there will be more death and injury. There'll be more children getting their hands on guns because people aren't trained and don't know how to properly store them, and they may injure themselves or their siblings. There will be more suicide because more people will have easy access.
Supporters of this bill say this is a right for every American, and while permitting wouldn't be required, the same people who couldn't carry a handgun in the public before due to convictions or other reasons still can if this bill is passed. It just removes penalties for people who aren't breaking laws and are carrying in public.
If you are lawfully in possession of a firearm and you are lawfully where you're allowed to be, then you will not be put in jail for not having a permit. It keeps the permit process out there for all that would like to take advantage of the permit process. We encourage folks to get a permit. In fact, we encourage folks to get training beyond just the one class. But this makes it clear that we're not going to jail someone that would have otherwise been a law-abiding citizen, but for the fact that we criminalize them carrying their gun without a permit.
There are some state law enforcement agencies that have come out in opposition to this bill. However, this is a Governor Bill Lee push, and so it has some support in the state legislature. It passed through committee today. Reporting live at the state capitol, Kyle Horan, News Channel 5.